Hi guys, welcome to our part 3 of WordPress installation. And yeah, we've seen a couple of things but not that much. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna show you what's some of the most important things you have to do. Firstly, when you install WordPress, before you do something, think of your plugins. Plugins are just tools you use to do anything you want. So WordPress comes with these two plugins, but these plugins very much important for everyone. So some use different ones, but I'll prefer to use this first. You click here and you activate this plugin. This plugin is gonna help you to protect your site not to be attacked by those guys who do spams and those pornography stuff, whatever. Yeah, so they won't be able to come and post on your website like using their bots and stuff. Anyway, after activating that, that's fine. So you can look for other plugins anyway. So but what you have to do now, let's look into themes. Themes are templates. WordPress has a lot of them, maybe thousands. So that's why much people, they prefer WordPress than other stuff. So you click here, add new, and you can click on popular if you want to. So my internet is a little bit slow, guys, so you can choose any theme you want, then you install it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and also share our content so that we get a lot of likes and subscriptions. Yeah guys, I don't know, I'm so a little bit confused which one can I choose. It depends on what you want, what you like and stuff like that. So but anyway, this is a sample website. We can, if you want to, we can install this. So you just click on anything you want, any theme you want. Remember, themes are templates, those guys who are used to designing templates. Then you activate. When you activate, it's gonna be activated. Yes, that theme is activated. And also WordPress comes with default themes 1, 2, 3, but we've put our own. So let's go to our website. It's called justcode.co.za. We click there. You see, this is what we see. So you can change this, you can do whatever you want to, but this is what you see. Okay, hello world, this is the post, the first post in there. So what we do here, we can quickly go and create one post. But before you create a post, you have to create a category of the post. Then say, I wanna say PHP. I'm gonna put that post to be under the category of PHP. Then we add that one. So we can also create Java, and also we save that. So guys, so let's see what's gonna go on here, and we say add post. If we add post, I have some posts which I want to create. Let's say how to create data, how to connect PHP to MySQL. The internet is a little bit slow, guys, I'm sorry about that, but I wonder if we're gonna finish this post. Okay guys, see you in part 4. That's when we're gonna create our post. Well, so we are here, but we're gonna see in part 4 how we create the post. Thanks guys for watching.